So this morning we're excited to welcome back over 300 CTE teachers with Henrico County. We're here at Tucker High School. We started the morning off with some basic reminders in CTE business and then kick things off with our guest speaker, Dr. Kevin Fleming.
You are champions, and I want to let you know that Henrico, from an outsider's perspective, you are the tip of the spear in Virginia. And if you don't know that, if you're new, you're in a great place that is setting the standard, not just in the state of Virginia, but it's making ripples throughout the rest of the country for the work that you have, the perspective that you have on the 3 E's that's going statewide with your strong focus on industry partnerships. People are watching you. And a part of your success, I believe, is because you have focused on the fundamentals. And as educators, arguably one of the most important fundamentals we have are our language. It's our words. The inspiring, unconventional, sometimes inspirational words that might be the only place some of our students get that.
One of the things that we really hope to get out of the day today is our teachers to get not only a sense of community and collaboration, because a lot of times in the buildings there are singletons in their content areas. By bringing them together today, they get a chance to hone in some skills, have that community, and stay current on new topics like artificial intelligence that can hopefully make their lives a little bit easier as they plan for their students and deliver engaging and meaningful activities with students. Part of the goal for our teachers is to think about ways to engage with their students so that they can be career and life ready. Henrico County has always been at the forefront of this model, and it's great to see that our teachers, whether it's preparing students to go into the career of welding, culinary, health and medical field, we've got lots of opportunities for our students that our teachers really deliver on.